Installing Superflow with Elementor is super easy. First, go to the Superflow onboarding flow. Then enter the URL where you have your WordPress site deployed with Elementor. After that, click on WordPress using Elementor as the platform to install Superflow on. Then click Next. You'll be given this code snippet to paste in your Elementor site. So let's copy this code snippet and click Yes, I've saved. Now head over to your WordPress admin dashboard, and then on the left side, click on Elementor. Next, click on Custom Code under Elementor. Here, click on Add New, and here we can add our code snippet. So give it a title, and paste that code snippet in, and also change the location to body end. Then head over and click on Publish. Click on Save and Close to finalize this code snippet. Now, let's head over back to our onboarding flow and click on Yes, I've published. To complete the installation, click on Verify Install. If everything worked correctly, you should see this success screen, and you should see the Superflow toolbar installed in the bottom right corner. Now, with Superflow installed, you can do several things now. First, you can highlight any text and leave a comment that way. You can also hover over any element on the page and leave a comment that way. And lastly, you can just draw a box over anywhere on the screen and leave a comment like that as well. And that is how you install Superflow with Elementor.